I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the disposable holds an unused roll and noting the film speed. Open the back carefully, align the film leader with the K-cup spool, and turn the advance wheel until the leader catches. Once done, close the door and advance 2 frames to ensure proper tension. Make sure not to force parts. Gentle pressure prevents tearing the film. You're ready to begin shooting immediately after verifying the counter moves and the casing feels secure. You compose through the viewfinder, remembering parallax affects subjects closer than a meter. When light is low, enable the flash. Once fired, maintain 1 to 3 meters distance for consistent exposure. For bright outdoor scenes, wait for even light and avoid shooting directly into the sun to prevent silhouettes. If your camera has an ISO setting, use it to guide choices. If not, meter conservatively by exposing for highlights. Once framed, hold steady and press the shutter smoothly to reduce blur. You finish shooting by advancing the film after every exposure and watching the frame counter so you don't overlap shots. Once the roll is complete, keep the camera in a cool, dark place to protect latent images. Avoid extreme heat or moisture. Deliver the intact camera to a lab for development or open and process at home with correct chemicals and patience. If colors look off after scanning, a common fix is rescanning with adjusted white balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.